This is day 3 for the at-home workout program, week 5 for the E group. So the first exercise that we're gonna do is a overhead reverse lunge. So the overhead piece is just literally putting your arm overhead. You don't have to use weight. You can use a tennis ball or a golf ball if you would like to. You don't need to. And the arm that's gonna be overhead is gonna be the leg that goes back. So again, my left leg is the working leg, so my right arm is gonna be the one in the air. So everything's the same as a reverse lunge. I'm gonna show it fluid, and then I'm gonna do that broken down reverse lunge that I did last week as well. So again, arm up overhead. The reason that we're doing this is because when you put an arm overhead, you want to extend, and this now forces you to really turn on those abs to keep everything in position and keeping this arm overhead in a stable position while you're doing a dynamic movement at your legs. That's why we're doing the overhead piece. So again, this goes overhead. We're focusing on squeezing our abs so we don't overextend. Our right leg goes back, our right knee drops down, and we come back up. So the broken down version of that is just stepping back, doing a split squat down, coming back up. Again, just like with a split squat, this knee should be behind this hip. Second exercise that we're gonna do is alternating bent over or split stance bent over row, which is a mouthful. All that basically means, similar to the split stance or the reverse lunge, we're gonna kick our leg back, we're going to bend over, and we're going to row up the 2 gallons. Again, we're thinking about keeping our back nice and flat, our abs turned on as we do the row, and just like with any other row, when we come back down, we don't want it to drop down. Keeping everything nice and tight, pinching that grate between our shoulder blades, standing back up. The alternating part means left leg goes back, do a row, then the right leg goes back and do a row. The third exercise is just a push-up. So I went over that very in detail in day 2. Please take a look at that. I know I'm pretty long-winded, but I've just gotten so many questions about it that I think that it's important that you watch that. But the quicker version, I'm gonna show it on a chair. So basically, ankle, knee, hip, shoulder, all in line. Setting our shoulders in good position, squeezing that grate as we go down, coming back up, our glutes and our abs turned on, and doing a push-up. The fourth and final exercise is a dead bug or hollow body reach. So a dead bug reach is heads on the ground. We reach our hands up perfectly to the sky and come back down. A hollow body reach, same exact thing, but you're in a hollow body position. So you're here, and then you reach up for the hollow body reach. So that's day 3. Swipe over for the challenge.